How to get money back from Venmo if scammed in 2023. My name is Ali and I will walk you through on how to get money back from Venmo if scammed. It's not something difficult, okay? Just follow what I'm gonna tell you in this video and you're gonna be able to get money back from Venmo if you're scammed, okay? So for the first thing that we need to do is to go to Venmo. So you just need to go to the Venmo app and open it, and after opening Venmo app you need to do two things, or I can tell you that there are two ways, okay? So for the first way, which is contacting the man who scammed you and request from him to get your money back, but this is maybe not gonna work, because if he scammed you he will not agree to give you your money back, okay? But anyways, I'm gonna show you this way first, then I'm gonna go to the second one, okay? So for the first way, you need to go to pay or request here, and you need to click on it, and here you're gonna to write the username of the account that scammed you, and after you need to enter the amount of money that he took from you, and write something to him, like for example, give me my money back, or something like this. And then you have request or pay. What you need to choose is request, like you are requesting from him money. You will not pay him, okay? So you're requesting money. Okay, so if he scammed you 90%, you will not receive your money back. So here you need to go to the second way, which is going and contacting support. So just go to need help and then go to chat with the support. You can chat with customer support from email or from Venmo, okay? And then talk to them and explain to them what happened, and they're gonna search and see if you're scammed, and if they discover that you really scammed, they're gonna help you to fix that problem and get you money back, okay? That would be it, and I will see you in the next video.